Hello everyone. So as promised, I'm going to go through my quarterly report, and I made a total of 2,35,286 rupees 52 paise in this quarter. Okay, I started system trading from 9th of September, and I like it. It's this is the report for the whole quarter. Now you can see that my sell value is close to 3.2 crore. Okay, it's 3.2 crore, and my net profit is 2.35. So if you divide this 2.35 lakhs upon 3.2 crore, it comes to less than 0.1%. So this is why I have to work on this in the next quarter or in the next financial year. I'll have to work something out, and so this is the net return that I generated. It's 2,35,000. Now, let me show you how Nifty performed in the same period. So, let me select this and go to 1 year performance and show you exactly where 9th of September is. Alright, so this is the 8th of September. Okay, it went close to, I'll just move it here. So, it went close to like 2% up, then again 5 down. Okay, then 5 up or 6% up, and then 12% down. Okay, and right now it is at minus 2.5%. And I started in this phase. Let me select my pen here. I'll show you like how exactly I had my capital done, like from this phase. Okay, from this phase till November mid or somewhere here. Okay, I had 10 lakh rupees. From this phase till December end, I had deployed 20 lakh rupees. From in January, I had deployed 10 lakh rupees, and then here in the remaining period, I have 20 lakh rupees deployed in the market. Okay. So let me just go to my daily page where I take down the trades, and if anything is if any text is required, I also take it down. So this is the total because my capital has been varying as you have seen in the last chart. So the thing is my CAGR or my net return comes close to 13.4%. Okay. And according to that, the CAGR for this financial year would be, if I had the same stats and run this with the same stats for one full year, it would have been close to 25.5% on the deployed capital of 10 lakh rupees. That is, I would have made close to 2 lakh 50,000 rupees. Now, my maximum drawdown has been in this period, it has been minus 4%. Okay, minus 4% with the expectancy of 0.28% or 0.28. Now, my win days has been like close to 67%, and the risk reward, this has been a real big concern for me. So I have actually managed to bring it down, but let's see how it works out in the next financial year. So let me show you the first month where I started, and the first month where I started was September. So just to show you the in August there was no trade taken, so you can see it's empty. And in September I started system trading on 9th of September, as I said in the first tab that I had shown. Okay. So my CAGR had been, for if the September figures had continued for 1 year, it would have been close to 99.8%. Okay. Now 99.8% is a very good number. So what I did was I continued doing this in October as well. Okay. Now you can see the maximum drawdown here. It's like 1.32% in October month. The CAGR is still very good. Okay, I was expecting close to 25 to 30 to 40 to 50%, but it's still outdoing my expectations. My expectancy, my risk rewards is very good. My expectancy is very good. So in November, what I did was in mid of November, I increased my capital. Okay. So so now I increased my capital somewhere close to 9th of November here, right? So what I do is like if I have increased my capital from 10 lakh to 20 lakh and my net gain for that day was 6,800, then I take an entry of 3,400 in this page. I accordingly reduce the charges in this column. So my CAGR for November month had been close to 41%. That is again very good. My maximum drawdown was still under 1%, very much under control. So now I went now the most dreadful month that could have possibly come for my system is December. I have lost close to 60,000 rupees in December with 5% drawdown, because if you consider the losses of November and then you bring it down in December, so it goes to 5%. Expectancy goes negative because of course you are making losses. The only good thing was that I had a 65% of win days. Now this whole week from minus 8,000 to minus 15,000, this is all double in figure, okay, like minus 16k 0, minus 4,600, 1,200 and all these things. Till now, I have not done like much trades on Friday. It was all like very small like discretionary or something, very safe trades on Friday. But the thing is, December gave me a real big shock, giving like pushing me back 5% in the whole thing. Now let me show you how January came, and because I had a 5% drawdown, and I had a preconceived thing in my mind that if I hit 5% drawdown, then I will reduce my capital to half. All right. So I had like close to 40 minus 40k in my cumulative PNL when I started January. And I reduced my capital to half, and I managed to cover that 40,000 in January itself without doing any changes in the system. It was possible only because the expectancy went above 2 and the win rate went above 80. Risk reward where it is. Yeah, it's 2.73. So you can see the daily trades also. I had like a, a very good win streak in the end of Jan. Now let me see how the charts behaved end of Jan. So okay, so it stayed almost flat. Okay, I had like so in this period I made some very good money. Now because I had covered my drawdown, so I went into February with full capital, and to my surprise again February was a flat month. I had like neck to neck closing, like almost 2,700 post taxes and charges and brokerages and all. I had again a drawdown of 2%, but that is again manageable. A flat month is no worry, but there should not be any negative months for a system trader. Now coming to the last month, I had close to like 12,000 rupees for this month. So that is again close to 1.2% in March. Okay, so my expectancy is again it's not tending to go up, just because of one simple reason is that the market is on a in a downtrend. Once it starts going up, okay, when it starts going up, I will be increasing my system's expectancy. So I'm very positive on that. I'm not doing any changes to my system as of now. And let me again come back to the total thing. Before that, let me show you how Q4 quarter 4 performed, that is Jan, Feb and March. Now I have a good expectancy of 0.34, a CAGR of close to 24%. So that is fine. This whole quarter being on a downtrend and beating Nifty by close to beating Nifty in the same period by close to 20% is it's very good, because the Nifty has been going down and I made something close to. Uh, so let me just select the total thing and show you my dials. Okay, how it behaved. So my expectancy, win rate, everything I have said about this. So you can visualize like how it goes. Now my Mondays have been like all days you can see that it's in green. and all days have been equally, almost equally profitable. But you can see that the Thursday is very less. Okay, Thursdays are supposed to be, the edge of any system because the theta decay is the highest on Thursdays. Now let me show you how this happened, and let me open this quarter 3 report, and quarter 4 also I will show. So in quarter 3 I had a 73, sorry, not quarter 3. Let me show you quarter 4. See here. Now this quarter 4 had given me close to minus 32% of the total profit that I gained. Suppose I had made 100 rupees on these days combined, so I would have lost close to 32 rupees only on Thursdays. So that is how my the expectancy and everything is going down in this way because my expiries are not working for me. Okay, but there will be some day when I will be making money on expiries as well. So, that's it for today, and I hope that you are inspired with this. But before leaving, let me show you how my PNL behaved. Okay, so this is 9th of September. All right, so it keeps on going up, and then here comes the December. This whole period was December, and from this peak to this bottom, it was 5% or minus 5%. Then this was Jan. I covered this with Jan. Then this was from here Feb started. So this is Feb, and then from there it is almost flat till now. After like Feb and March I was close, very very flat. So yeah, I hope that everything inspires you towards system trading, and I hope that you all can develop your own system and start trading the markets without giving so much like a lot of importance to your manual decisions, saying that I mean you should not give so much time sitting in front of the PC and then still be able to make close to 25, 30% or 50%. So any system which is like again I have explained in my previous videos that any system which is close to like 20 to 50% and draw down less than 10% is a very good system. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that I will be able to beat myself in the next financial year. So wish me luck, and thank you for watching. Have a good financial year ahead. Bye bye.